Nunc de utilitationibus duabus coniunctivi locuturi sumus. In hoc capitulo discimus utilitationes duas coniunctivi, enunciata finalia et completiva. Enunciata finalia means specified ends or stated goals. Enunciata finalia explain for what reason, for what stated goals, is someone doing something. Cur facit aliquis aliquid. We can already express this idea as in this example sentence that we can see on the screen. Cornelius ad vilam Julii venet, amicum suum salutatum. Here we're using a supine with a verb of motion to express purpose. Cornelius came to Julius's villa in order to greet his friends. We can also do this exact same idea or express this exact same idea with causa et gerundium, the causa et gerundium construction. Cornelius ad vilam venet salutandi causa. Cornelius came to the villa in order to greet, for the sake of greeting. Our second use, utilitatio altera, is the completiva. Conjunctive verbs in completiva clauses complete the idea stated by a verbum postulandi or a verbum curandi. In the example sentence we have here, our verbum postulandi is imperat. Verba postulandi are verbs of commanding or demanding, and they can take the accusative infinitive construction, as in our example sentence here. Julius imperat seram medicum arcesere. Julius commands that Sira gets the doctor, or fetches the doctor. Verba curandi are verbs of taking care. Take care that you stay healthy, cura ut valeas, for example, is a verbum curandi, take care. These do not take the accusative infinitive construction in Latin, but rather require a second conjunctive verb to complete the idea, take care that. So in the sentence, cura ut valeas, maybe you can hear it there. Valeas, a second conjugation verb, is conjunctive. So to review, our two uses are enunciata finalia et completiva. Enunciata finalia expresses purpose with a conjunctive verb instead of a supine or a causa et gerundium. Completiva occur with a verba postulandi or a verbum curandi and take the place of an accusative infinitive construction. They go where we might expect an accusative infinitive construction to be. Here are three ways of saying Cornelius went to the villa to greet his friends. Cornelius ad vilam venet amicum salutatum. Cornelius ad vilam venet salutandi causa. Cornelius ad vilam venet ut amicum salutet. The first one uses the gerundium, the first one uses the supine, the second one the causa et gerundium construction, and the third one ut et conjunctivus. Right, so the last one is our enunciata finalia conjunctiva sentence. So remember that the conjunctive mood conveys possibilities. Why do we use it here? Why do we use the conjunctive in this sentence, ut amicum salutet, in order to greet his friends? Well, read on. Cornelius ad vilam venerat ut amicum salutet, sed Julius in agri suis ambulabat. Cornelius itaque domum rediit, neque amicum suum salutavit. Right? Cornelius went to the villa in order to greet his friend, but Julius was out walking in his fields. Cornelius therefore returns to his own home and does not get a chance to greet his friends. Why do we use the conjunctivus here? Conjunctiva utimor, quod Cornelius voluit Julium salutare, sed non potuit. Non possumus salutandum Cornelia indicare, itaque indicativo non utimor. We can't actually say that Cornelius was able to greet his friends. We can't indicate that this greeting occurred, and so we don't use the indicative. We can't. Okay, so again, here the conjunctive is expressing possibilities. Okay, let's talk about our completiva. Here are two ways of saying what Julius is commanding. Julius commands that Sira fetch the doctor, or Julius commands that a doctor be fetched. The first one, which uses the accusative infinitive construction, emphasizes Julius's words. What did he say? Here, Siram medicum arcesere relates his words in indirect speech through the accusative infinitive construction. Probably his words were something like, Sira medicum arcese, an imperative, right? That's why he's imperating, he's commanding. The conjunctive example, however, emphasizes what Julius wants accomplished rather than what he actually said. He wants someone to fetch a doctor. So here we use imperat plus ut plus the conjunctivus. Why are we using the conjunctivus? Cur conjunctivo utimor. Remember again that the conjunctive mood conveys possibilities. Julius imperat ut medicus arcessatur. Medicus nondum adest. Julius tantum imperat ut arcessatur. Sirane medicum arcesset? Quis scit? Nemo scit. Medicus fortasse domi non est. Itaque arcessi non potest. Right, so the doctor's not here yet. Julius is only given a command that he be fetched. Will Sira actually fetch him, right? Sirane medicum arcesset, future tense. Well, who knows? Nobody knows. The doctor maybe won't be at home, and so he can't even be fetched. Sira doesn't know where to find him. And so here, right, we're using the conjunctive to indicate the possibility. Julius wants him fetched, maybe he won't get fetched. Julius, stop trying to make fetch happen. Okay, so let's review. We have two uses of the conjunctive that we learned in this chapter. We have the Enunciata Finalia and the Completiva. How do we form these two uses? In both cases, we use ut plus the conjunctive to indicate either why someone does something or what someone wants accomplished. Right? Ut salutet, in order to greet him. Ut arcesat, he commands that the doctor be fetched, or that she fetch the doctor. That's how we form the positivus. If we want to form the negativus, right, there's all sorts of cases where someone does something in order not to accomplish something, or gives a command that someone not do something, right? Like, don't push that button, right? So why would someone not do something? Here we don't use ut plus the conjunctivus plus non, but rather instead we use ne. Medus e villa Julii fugit, ne domino pareat. Medus flees from Julius's villa so that he doesn't have to obey his master. Right? Ne pareat, in order not to obey. Julius pastorem monet ne piger sit. Julius advises the shepherd, our regular indicative sentence, that he not be lazy. There's our completivum. Ne piger sit. So if we want to say something positively, why someone's doing something, we use the ut et conjunctivus. When we want to say in enunciata finalia negatively, we use ne plus the conjunctivus. Medus flees in order not to obey. If we're doing the completiva, Julius advises the shepherd that he do a good job, the positivus. We use ut and the conjunctivus. For the negativus, right, Julius advises the shepherd that he not be lazy. We use ne plus the conjunctivus. Okay, I'm going to read through two sentences. I'm going to translate one. I want you to try the other. So here are our two sentences. Colonus laborat, ut domino mercedem ad diem solvat. Colonus laborat, ne familia eius sine cibo sit. The first sentence means the tenant farmer works in order to pay the rent to the master on time, ad diem, on time. What does the second one mean, do you think? Colonus laborat, ne familia eius sine cibo sit. Take a shot. What do you think? Did you write the tenant farmer works so that his family might not be without food? This is a negative enunciata finalia, right? Why is he doing something? He's doing something so his family won't lack food. He's working so his family can have food. We could state this positively, but we can also state it negatively. Here's another sentence, or two more sentences. Pastor curat, ne oves de grege erens. Colonus orat, ut dominus plus patientiae habeat. Here are our completiva sentences. So the first one says, the shepherd takes care that the sheep do not wander from the flock. What do you think the second one means? Give it a spin. I'll advise you, by the way, that orat means begs or pleads, and plus patientiae can mean more patience. Colonas orat, ut dominus plus patientiae habeat. Did you write the tenant farmer begs that the master have more patience? That's what this sentence means. The tenant farmer begs that, ut, this is what he's begging, dominus plus patientiae habeat. The master should have more patience. Will the master have more patience? Well, I guess we'll find out in this chapter. Gratias vobis ago.